unMineable have just released a new version of their miner called Unminer. Stay tuned to find out more. Alrighty, so if you don't know what unMineable is, you can check out the several videos that I do have on my channel, and I also have tutorials of how you can mine by using unMineable and actually even calculating your profits when you are actually mining certain coins. On my screen here, you can see the unMineable official website. Here is some news. A new version of the desktop app is now available, okay? So I'm just going to click on this link here and we can see more information. I'm going to leave a link down below to the unMineable website as well so you can check this out. So a new version is now out. Let's just scroll down a bit here and we can see that the latest version is version 2.0.1 beta, okay? And this is currently out on the 5th of September and is the current version. So basically, what have unMineable done in this new miner? So the app has been renamed to Unminer, our most user-friendly update yet. There is auto hardware detection to determine the optimal mining executable to be used. That is pretty good because before you would have to have either the CPU or the GPU version. This way, if you have both, you have a GPU which is capable of mining as well, it will automatically detect that hardware and execute for you. Automatically detect if the mining process halts, so you can promptly address the issue. That's pretty good as well. So you can be notified probably, and then you'll be able to resume mining if something goes wrong. I'm assuming that this is going to be in the form of emails where you get alerts that the mining has stopped so that you can take action and not waste time potentially and lose out on the mining that you're doing. Support for all of our GPU and CPU algorithms. That's awesome because now there are several different algorithms. I'll show you that in a bit as well. It's been rewritten from scratch to improve both loading speed and overall stability. There's more personalization options and settings for advanced users as well. And there's an added alternative connection option to prevent potential ISP restrictions. And they've also added a lot of validation to avoid settings and config issues, okay? And obviously the usual miner bugs, fixes, and more. Now, personally, I have not yet tried this miner. It is quite new, so I will be trying this as well. There were other versions as well, so obviously try to download the latest one that you can. These are all the other versions that you can download if maybe you've got a problem with the most recent version, but do try it and see how it goes. There are two types of executables that you can download, either just the base version where you will just have the miner and then you will need to provide the third-party miners, for example like Phoenix Miner or T-Rex Miner for example, and XMRig. You'll have to provide those yourself, or otherwise you can just download the entire bundle where you will have all the miners included as well, which is the unMiner version where you will have everything all in one bundle. Now, obviously, your antivirus may detect this as a virus. It is not. It is obviously going to detect it as a virus because it is obviously a miner and you're downloading several third-party miners as well. When you're doing this, it is always at your own risk. I cannot vouch for the developers that are actually writing the code to create this miner or any other miner, even other miners like third-party miners that I've just mentioned, for example. So I cannot vouch for those, but I've been using those for years as well, and I've had no issues so far. But that's not to say that things can't change, and potentially there could be malware and viruses. So do these things at your own risk. And like I always said in my mining videos, do not use a PC or a laptop where you are actually storing personal data, because you never know what might be in these miners, okay? So don't do anything except mine when you're actually downloading these executables on those devices, okay? So if you did not know that this existed, now you know that it does. It's a new version and it seems to have some significant improvements, so be sure to check that out. Before I go, I'm going to show you what it means by support for all our GPU and CPU algorithms. So if we go back to the home page here, and let's say I'm going to click on Casper Coin. You can click on any one really, but these are the recently added ones. Here you can see all the algorithms, okay? So if you're, for example, mining with a graphics card, there's Octopus, there's Ironfish, there's Blake 3, there's all these K heavy hash, okay? There's even support for ASIC miners that you can mine on the unMineable pools, so you can connect your ASIC miner to the unMineable pools as well. And you've got all of these, and you've also got RandomX, which is the CPU algorithm, which will technically be mining the Monero coin, but you will obviously be paid out in the coin that you have selected. In this case, I, as an example, have selected Casper. So that is what they mean in the Unminer app when they're saying they support all of the algorithms that they have for graphics cards and for CPUs, okay? ASIC is not mentioned. It's just for obviously Windows-based systems. For ASIC miners, obviously you just connect that with configuration settings and you just mine away. There are new algorithms being added frequently, so be sure always to check out the unMineable website, and from time to time I will be obviously making more videos as well on unMineable. It's not just about Rollercoin. I know I've been making loads of videos on Rollercoin, but I am one of the Rollercoin content creators, so I need to keep up and make all those videos because there are loads of changes there as well. My channel is dedicated to all types of tech and using tech in a fun and simple way, and sharing knowledge on my channel as well, so that we can all learn and grow together as well, okay? So I will be back obviously with some mining videos and unMineable as well. I have not forgotten that area completely, but I was busy, as I said, lately with other videos as well, and those will also keep on going, okay? So be sure to stay tuned to my channel, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below, smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves and thanks for watching.